Now this is an example of the Kimono Iris Folding Set 2. There's obviously a set 1 as well, but this is an example of what you can make. You see all the different layers. There's a full video showing you how to make these, and you can change the effect by whatever papers you want. But we've used them from the Kimono sets, very posh. Okay, so that's what you can make. Now to make those, you need this, you get a full set. So to make that size, that is the template there that I did, as you can see. Then you've got the next size down, which is that one. And then you've got the next size down again, which is that, slightly smaller. So you've got all these different options, and there's so many different ways you can use them. Then you've got the slightly smaller one too. And then the next one. Now, if you want to do, this is an A4 size, as you can see, that's an A4. Look at the black, terrible on the back, but how posh at the front. This is an A4 size, but if you want to make a really big one, you've got two options. Now, you can either print it off on two A4s, on the file, in the file you'll get this option. You print it off in two A4s, and then you just stick that together with a little bit of masking tape. And then you've got the design, the pattern. These make fantastic wall hangings. Using great if you work with fabrics, you can use all your scraps of fabric and make these wonderful effects. They're great. And one tip there is wrap the fabric around a little bit of cardboard for each one. You get that nice. Or you can even pad them. They look fantastic. Or if you've got an A3 printer, you can do them like this. Print out the full size there, if you're lucky enough to do that. Really, they look complicated, but they're not. They're so simple. You just follow the numbers and off you go. And you can make something just like this.